Unraveling the mystery of phrasal verbs with context clues. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our video series on mastering phrasal verbs. Today, we're going to delve deeper and talk about how to use context clues to understand phrasal verbs. Remember, context clues are pieces of information in the text that can help us infer the meaning of an unfamiliar word or phrase. Context clues are words, phrases, or sentences that give us hints or clues to the meaning of a word or phrase we might not know. When we come across a phrasal verb that we don't recognize, we can look at the surrounding text to help us understand what it might mean. Context clues can often be found in the same sentence or in the sentences before or after the unknown phrasal verb. There are several types of context clues you can look for. These include definition clues, where the meaning of the phrasal verb is directly given in the sentence. Then, there are synonym clues where a similar word is used in the context. Example clues provide instances that make the meaning clear. Lastly, antonym clues or contrast clues indicate the opposite meaning, which can also help us understand the unfamiliar phrasal verb. The best way to understand how to use context clues is by practicing with examples. Let's say you come across the phrasal verb, give up, in a sentence. Even though the puzzle was difficult, John didn't give up. If you don't know the meaning of give up, you can look at the context. The fact that the puzzle was difficult suggests that give up has something to do with dealing with difficulty. From this, you could infer that give up means to quit or stop trying. Here are some strategies you can use when using context clues. 1. Read the whole sentence. Don't just focus on the phrasal verb. Look at what's happening in the sentence as a whole. 2. Look for clues in nearby sentences. Sometimes the clue isn't in the same sentence but in the sentence before or after. 3. Consider all the possible meanings. Phrasal verbs often have multiple meanings. The context can help you figure out which meaning is correct. Mastering phrasal verbs can be a challenge, but using context clues is a powerful tool to add to your language learning toolbox. Remember, it's all about piecing together the hints that the surrounding text gives you. Practice this strategy, and soon you'll be decoding unfamiliar phrasal verbs with ease. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.